What's happened to my head? I used to think about a lot of things, now really not that much. Everything I forget, yeah, I'm forgetting nearly everything now that I got your love. Cause you're holding on like leaves in the autumn time to my brain. And I don't know what you're doing to me, but I won't mind if you stay. Cause I kinda like it, though you got me indecisive without even trying. Always preoccupying, even out of sight. You're never out of mind. You've taken up all my headspace, and I can't fight off your embrace. I have no self-control. Your love won't let me go. Oh no, no. It's like I got raided and the offender took off without any traces. But through the front door of my imagination, ran off with everything, it don't take no time wasted debating, safe to say it's you. I don't know what you done and I don't know what my brain did, but everything inside of bed evaporated. You see, before I had a lot of thoughts racing, but you erased it and replaced it too. You've taken up all my headspace, and I can't fight off your embrace. No, I have no self-control. Your love won't let me go. Oh no, no. I got a short attention span, of which I'm sure I never